Hello, children. Let us continue the same topic. The distance. Distance, once again I repeat, it is the actual length of path traveled by an object from one place to another, irrespective of direction. This distance is the first quantity we are measuring in the motion. But by taking only the distance, we cannot describe the motion of object completely. Suppose if a person is starting from point A, suppose its length is 100 meter. He started its motion from A to B. So that means he has traveled through the distance 100 meter. But here another person, suppose two persons P and Q, one person P, another person Q. P started its motion from A to B, covered 100 meter. Q also started his motion from A to B, travels 100 meter. Here you see the distance traveled by both the person is same. By taking these things, can we describe their motion completely? Means, can we say who was faster, who was slower? The answer is no. Because both the person have covered the length, covered the distance 100 meter, but we do not know in how much time they covered the same distance 100 meters. If P traveled 100 meter in 1 minute, then Q covered the same 100 meter, but he took 5 minutes. Here the distance traveled is same, but to cover the same distance, the time taken is different. So that's why I said that with only by considering the distance traveled, we cannot say who was faster, who was slower. To describe their motion completely, who is faster or slower, along with the distance, what is also required? The time taken is also required. Time that is given by the symbol T. Here the time taken is 1 minute, time taken is 5 minutes. So to describe the faster or slower, distance and time both are required. Then only we will be able to describe their motion. By combining these two things, the distance, it is represented by the symbol D, small letter D, should not write capital, and the time taken, it is small letter t. By combining these two quantities, we can completely describe how fast an object is moving. To tell the fastness of an object, we are getting one more quantity, that is the speed. The speed is the quantity which completely describes the motion of any object, which describe about the fastness of an object. So that means speed is obtained by combining distance and time. So we can define the speed. It is defined as the distance traveled by an object by an object per unit time. Per unit time. This is the speed. So simply speed equal to distance upon time. Distance upon time. Symbolically, speed equal to distance upon time. So see how symbolically I wrote with the small letters. I am not using any capital letter. Speed, S small letter, distance, T, time period, time taken, all are written with the small letters only. This is the quantity speed. It is the distance traveled per unit time. Then we have the units. Distance, its SI unit is meter. And at time, it is also having the SI unit. The SI unit of time is second. It is second. So simply we can write the small letter s. So the SI unit of speed is meter per second. This is the SI unit of speed. Like SI unit of distance, it is meter. Here meter per second is the SI unit of speed. This is the standard unit, that is SI unit. But not always this unit is used. If the distance traveled is longer, if we are traveling through the longer distance, then the speed is measured with a greater unit, bigger unit. So bigger unit of speed, bigger unit of speed is kilometer per hour. This is the bigger unit of speed. SI unit of speed is meter per second. Bigger unit of speed is kilometer per hour. Both are the unit of same quantity speed. If two units are given for the same quantity, then they must have the relation. They must have the relation means they can be changed from one unit into another unit. For that, simply we have the relation that how the speed of an object given in kilometer per hour can be changed into meter per second. Suppose if I take the speed of an object is 1 kilometer per hour, what does it mean? The speed of an object is 1 kilometer per hour. It means the object covered 1 kilometer in 1 hour. That is the meaning of the speed 1 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now, if it covers 1 kilometer in 1 hour, then it can be expressed in 1 second how much distance covered. For that, there is a relation. This is blank, question mark. We want to find out that relation between kilometer per hour and meter per second. How this 1 kilometer per hour is related to the meter per second. Simple relation. 1 kilometer per hour can be written as 1 kilometer upon 1 hour. Can be written. And these two are changed. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Upon 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Because 1 hour 60 minutes, 1 minute 60 seconds, so 60 into 60. If we simplify it, it comes. This is 5 and 18. So it is equal to 5 upon 18 meter per second. So 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 upon 18 meter per second. Why should we find this relation? Because in the calculation, to change the kilometer per hour into meter per second quickly, we can use this relation. Suppose, for example, it is given that the speed of an object is 72 kilometer per hour. Now it is to be expressed in seconds. It can be expressed in meter per second, not second, meter per second. To change this kilometer per hour into meter per second, what should we do? Take this number and multiply this number with 5 upon 18. As we multiply this number with 5 upon 18, it changes into meter per second. Now simplify it, it comes 4. So it is 20 meter per second. So this is the speed 72 kilometer per hour. It means the object covers 72 kilometer in 1 hour. It travels 20 meter in 1 second. This is how we change kilometer per hour into meter per second. On the other hand, if you want to change meter per second into kilometer per hour, just it can be reversed. 18 upon 5. 1 meter per second is equal to 18 upon 5 kilometer per hour. This is used to change meter per second into kilometer per hour. So these things has to be kept in mind, that how to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, meter per second into kilometer per hour. Remaining things we will see in the next session.